In this video, we're going to look at the final polishing process using colloidal silica on the sample polishers. So to do this, if you're not on the main menu, go ahead, just like the other grinding and mid-range polishing samples that we did. We're just going to hit escape a couple of times to get to the main menu. We're going to select the preparation method and use the same preparation method that you had used on the previous samples. Not all samples require a final polish of colloidal silica. The test methods or the polishing protocols will tell you when they are required. So I'm going to select a test method that was requiring me to have a final polish using colloidal silica. I will scroll down to the very final polishing step. This polishing step tells me that I need to use the Chem Pad, which I will select from the polishing pad tower. And the Chem Pad is always a completely black pad that has a very smooth final texture. I'm going to apply that to the polishing wheel. And we're going to start the final polishing process by lowering the polishing head, placing our sample into an available location, and we're going to hit start on the polishing process. Notice that the colloidal silica comes out at a much more rapid rate than the diamond suspensions. And that's because the system flushes all of the tubes with fresh water after completion. So it's going to do heavy dosing during the colloidal silica process, and this typically takes about 1.5 minutes. When the colloidal silica step is finished, the system will automatically thoroughly rinse the tubes for dispensing. And that's what's going on right now. That is not good enough to clean the whole system, but it cleans all the tubing out for dispensing the colloidal silica. So to clean the system, now that we're finished with polishing, I'm going to raise the polishing head, just as we've done on many other steps. Remove the sample. We'll press escape a couple of times once again so that we can dispense water manually and spin the wheel. So I'll dispense the water and rinse the sample off. And here you want to thoroughly rinse this pad. So I'm going to press the spin button to rinse the pad as water is flowing. And while that's occurring, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the head or sample holder of the polishing head off. This keeps the colloidal silica from caking on these components. Once you've finished rinsing that sample holder, now we can go ahead and stop the water flow, allowing excess water to spin off of the wheel. Stop the wheel and place the pad back into the tower. Now your sample is ready to blow off with air and do any further analysis on it that you would like.